The Princess of Wales, Kate Middleton, has been spotted shopping at the range ahead of the festive season. While many of us might be worried about finding the perfect gift for someone, the princess has been hunting the shelves of the bargain shop. The royal family, like most families, spend the festive season with each other, exchanging gifts and merriment with one another. The yearly royal family get-together at Sandringham is tradition, but this year there might be one or two presents under the tree that were not bought from a high-end store. Despite being in the public eye, the Waleses family keep their family affairs as private as possible, so there's little we know about where they go to find their Christmas gifts. However, Kate was spotted buying items just days before Christmas in 2018, the range close to the King's Sandringham estate, reports the Mirror. Teacher Sarah Daniels told how she spotted Kate with Prince George and Princess Charlotte in the arts and crafts aisle of the Plymouth headquartered chain, before they moved on to the toy section, where George apparently showed interest in dinosaur slime. Mrs. Daniels told the Daily Mail that at one point Charlotte sat on the floor and was told by her mother, dressed casually in jeans, low-heeled boots and a jacket, "Get up, pop it." And when George asked about the slime, she claims she didn't register a response from the prince's mother. Reports show that this was not the first time royals have bought cheap gifts for one another. In 2015, Prince Harry reportedly gave the late Queen a shower cap which read, "Ain't life a b*************." And before Harry met Meghan Markle, it is alleged Prince William and Kate got him a Grow Your Own Girlfriend kit. And while most families may give out gifts on Christmas Day, the royal family does so a day earlier, in keeping with German tradition. The royals are of German descent, so they weave in German traditions to their celebrations, former royal chef Darren McGrady explained. However, Kate and Harry are not likely to exchange gifts this year as they, along with William and Meghan, are embroiled in a bitter rift. Reports have now suggested the Sussexes would be keen to accept an invitation to spend Christmas with the rest of the royal family at Sandringham this year. It comes as relations have seemingly begun to thaw between the Duke of Sussex and King Charles after they shared a warm phone call last week. But it seems royal insiders have poured cold water on the Sussexes and their children Prince Archie and Princess Lilibet visiting for the festive period, saying it is likely they wouldn't be welcomed back into the royal fold. And according to royal expert and former BBC royal correspondent Jenny Bond, this would please William. She told The Sun, "Little Archie and Lilibet should be running around with their many cousins, pulling crackers, opening presents and understanding their place in the family, connecting with their relatives even though their lives are thousands of miles away." But that's not going to happen. I don't think William will be shedding a tear over this. Deep down, I'm sure he still loves Harry, but I don't think he can see a way out of the rift that has opened between them. I think William has closed his mind to the prospect of reconciliation with Harry, and I can't see a time when Meghan would be welcomed back into the bosom of the family, or a time when she would ever want to be welcomed back. I doubt that William thinks about them for more than a fleeting moment, and then he probably tries to blank out those thoughts.